Red Bull Haribo Gummies. Just the name makes you curious, right? A gummy candy infused with the energy of Red Bull? It sounds like the kind of thing that would fly off shelves instantly, but here's the twist. It might not even exist. In this video, we dig deep into the mystery behind the viral sensation that's taken social media by storm. It all started with a flashy post by an Instagram page called Uxnuck Attack, showcasing what looks like a legit pack of Hairbo Redbull Gummies. The packaging is designed to look official, the branding seems convincing, and the idea itself, mixing Red Bull's caffeine boost with Haribo's chewy goodness, is wild enough to grab anyone's attention. But after looking closer, things don't quite add up. There's no official listing on Haribo's or Red Bull's websites, no retail listings from verified stores, and no credible source confirming this as an actual product. It appears that the entire buzz is based on one viral image that keeps getting shared and reshared. This leads us to the growing trend of snack phishing, where creative or fake snack products are designed and spread online purely for entertainment or clout. We came across similar fake collabs like Nutella Frappuccino, Diet Coke Red Bull, and Oreo Pizza, all of which generated massive online hype without ever being real. What makes this even more interesting is how many people genuinely believed it, leaving comments like, "Where can I buy this?" or "I need this in my life," without realizing it was never meant to be a real product. So, are Hairbo Red Bull Gummies real? All signs point to no. Are they a scam? Not in the traditional sense, no one's trying to take your money, but they do mislead the public, just enough to create a buzz and draw attention to the pages that post them. In the end, this viral snack might not give you wings, but it does show how easy it is to blur the line between reality and internet fiction. Stay sharp and always look twice before believing what you scroll past.